Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the remaining part of the unit 1.2 from the paragraph all the same in this division. Open up your book and start reading from the paragraph. All the same in this division. The word division is a noun. Here again Qaid-e-Azam is talking about the division of India and Pakistan. Qaid-e-Azam says that the division of India and Pakistan, the question of minorities. Here, the question of, he is talking about minorities. Qaid-e-Azam says that after this division, the minorities, if enjoy equal rights, if they show cooperation with other nations, means India and Pakistan, Indian and Pakistanis, both, if they show cooperation with each other, and if there will be no discrimination. What is discrimination? Discrimination means if there will be no differences on the basis of creed and color, then the minorities can enjoy equal rights. There the society will be peaceful. So here is the question number 7, that what did Qaid-e-Azam say about minorities? That minorities, if are going to enjoy equal rights, if show cooperation, having no discrimination, they can live peacefully in the society. The next paragraph, therefore, we must learn a lesson. Therefore is a transitional word. Transitional words mean that brings a change, that brings a transition, that brings a pause in the sentences, in the speech. For example, therefore, we must learn a lesson that you are free, you are free. Here, Qaid-e-Azam is talking about that. What is the question? That what kind of freedom people can enjoy in the society? Here's this question number 8. What kind of freedom he is talking about? That both the nations are going to enjoy. What kind of freedom of speech and freedom, religious freedom. Religious freedom. Qaid-e-Azam says that you are free to go to your mosques, to go to the temples and enjoy the religious sense. Religious freedom means that both Pakistanis and Indians, they can go to their temples, they can go to their mosques, they can enjoy, they are free to speak anything, they are free to live freely in the society, and the state has nothing to do with the religious freedom, with the religion or with the faith of the people. State's responsibility is only to provide them equal rights and freedom of speech and religious freedom. So this kind of freedom, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah wanted every citizen in Pakistan to enjoy. The next paragraph. This was question number 8. The next paragraph starts that now I think we should keep that in front, that our ideals, that you will find that in the course of time Hindus would cease to be Hindus and Muslims would cease to be Muslims. What the question is, what does this expression mean, that Hindus would cease to be Hindus and Muslims would cease to be Muslims? Let me make it one thing again clear, that the expression now, well, therefore, So the paragraph basically starts from these transitional words. That is why I am explaining to you that these are transitional words, as I earlier told you, that brings a change in the society. Well, he says that Hindus need to be cease to be Hindus. It means that in our society, in Pakistan, the Hindus will enjoy again their rights, and Hindus would be Hindus so far their rights are concerned. As a citizen, they would be Pakistanis. As a citizen, again I repeat that this expression means that as a citizens they would be Pakistanis, but so far their religion is concerned, they can enjoy their religious faith, religious freedom. So Hindus would be Hindus and Muslims would be Muslims, enjoying their own religious freedom, their own faith. But as a citizen, they would remain, both Hindus and Muslims would remain Pakistanis. So I hope that the idea got clear to you. The last paragraph of the unit 1.2, it starts, well, gentlemen, I shall always be guided by the principles of justice and fair play. So here Qaid-e-Azam is talking about the principles that he been talking about throughout in his speech, that he is emphasizing that I shall always be guided by the principles of justice and fair play. And my guiding principle, underline for MCQs, my dash principle, my guiding principle would be justice, being unprejudiced and being impartial. So again, it means that Qaid-e-Azam is emphasizing on justice, on being fair in every aspect, being unbiased and being impartial in every aspect. And then Qaid-e-Azam says that I am sure that with your support and cooperation, I can look forward Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nations of the world. It means that by following the justice, being fair in every aspect, in every field, by showing cooperation, Qaid-e-Azam says that he is looking forward to seeing Pakistan, one of the greatest nations of the world, inshallah. And it becomes now our responsibility to remove the evils of jobbery, corruption, nepotism, bribery from the society that Qaid-e-Azam stressed upon, and to follow justice. We should cooperate with each other. We should be fair in every field with everyone, whether they are minorities or anyone in the society. So by following these principles, we can make Pakistan be one of the greatest nations in the world, and we will be able to make Pakistan flourish in the world, inshallah. So here the unit 1.2 ends. Hopefully, as we've been side by side discussing the question answers, you have well understood the lesson, and now it becomes your responsibility to make your assignments in a proper way as I've been guiding you, and prepare each and every relevant question with